Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove shipping fee in TikTok shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok shop account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that with TikTok shop rather, you can grow your business. Also, with TikTok shop, you can tap into TikTok's vibrant, engaged global community to build your business and turn discovery into purchase. So now that we know a bit of what TikTok Shop is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to remove shipping fee in TikTok Shop. First, I'm going to show you how you can create it, and then we're going to show you how to delete it. I'm that generous. So from this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the orders, products, marketing, affiliate, live and video, growth center, analytics, account sales, and finance. So click on products, and you're going to have the extended menu that says manage products. No. Go to marketing. So once you head over to marketing, I'm looking for a particular option and it's under marketing. So you have promotions. Now go ahead and click on promotions. That's going to take you to the promotion tools. And from there, I'm going to show you what next to do. So I promise I'm going to show you how to create that. So head over to create a promotion and head over to shipping fee discount and click on create. And then from create, go ahead and add a promotion name, promotion period, shipping areas, discount settings, promotion criteria, applies to international or specific shop, and click on agree to publish. So after publishing, then head over to manage your promotion. So once you head over to manage promotion, you're going to find the shipping discounts that you added. So from here, if you want to disable or you want to remove the shipping fee, go ahead and click on this and select deactivate. Once you click on deactivate, your shipping fee will be removed or deactivated on TikTok shop. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.